Unit 14, Graphics and Design. Types of graphics software. Computer graphics are pictures created, changed, or processed by a computer. There are two categories. Bitmapped graphics represent images as bitmaps. They are stored as pixels and can become a bit distorted when they are manipulated. The density of dots, known as the resolution and expressed in dots per inch, determines how sharp the image is. Vector graphics represent images as mathematical formulae, so they can be changed or scaled without losing quality. They are ideal for high resolution. Eraser, color picker, pencil, airbrush, line tool. Selection, fill bucket, zoom, paintbrush, test, curve, shapes. Windows point toolbox. There are different types of graphic software. Image manipulation programs let you edit your favorite images. For example, you can scan a picture into your PC or transfer a photo from your camera and then add different effects or filters. Painting and drawing programs, also called illustration packages, offer facilities for freehand drawing with a wide choice of pens and brushes, colors, and patterns. One example is Windows Paint. Business graphics programs, also called presentation software, let you create pie charts, bar charts, and line graphs of all kinds for slideshows and reports. You can import data from a database or a spreadsheet to generate the graphs. Computer-aided design is used by engineers and architects to design everything from cars and planes to buildings and furniture. First, they make a wireframe, a drawing with edges and contour lines. Then, if they want to color the objects and add texture, they create a surface for the object. This is called filling the surface. Finally, the design is rendered to make the object look realistic. Rendering is a process that adds realism to graphics by using shading, light sources, and reflections. Desktop publishing is based around a page layout program, which lets you import text from a word processor, clip art, ready-made pictures from graphics packages, and images from scanners or cameras, and arrange them all on a page. It is used to design and publish books, newspaper, posters, advertisement, etc. Digital art or computer art is done with applets that use mathematical formulae to create beautiful, bright shapes called fractals. A fractal is a geometrical figure with special properties. Example, the snowflake or the Mandelbrot set. Fractals can also be used to model real objects like clouds, coastlines, or landscapes. Computer animation uses graphics programs, example, digital cartooning systems, to create or edit moving pictures. Each image in a sequence of images is called a frame. Geographic Information Systems, or GIS, allows cartographers to create detailed maps. Unidad 14. Gráficos y diseño. Tipos de software de gráficos. Gráficos de computadora son imágenes creadas, cambiadas o procesadas por computadoras. Hay dos categorías. Gráficos de mapa de bits, que representan imágenes como mapa de bits, que son almacenadas como píxeles y pueden volverse un poquito distorsionadas cuando son manipuladas. La densidad de los puntos, conocida como la resolución y expresada en puntos por pulgada, determina qué tan nítida es la imagen. Gráficos de vector representan imágenes como fórmulas matemáticas, así que pueden ser cambiadas o escaladas sin perder calidad. Son ideales para salidas de alta resolución. Windows Paint Toolbox. Borra, seleccionar o tomar color o agarrar color, lápiz, airbrush sería como un pincel, line tool, línea de o herramienta de línea, selección, rellenar, hacer zoom, bueno, eso sí es una brocha, texto, curva y formas. Hay diferentes tipos de software de gráficos. Los programas de manipulación de imagen te permiten editar tus imágenes favoritas. Por ejemplo, puedes escanear una imagen en tu PC o transferir una foto de tu cámara y luego añadirle diferentes efectos o filtros. Programas para pintar y dibujar, también llamado paquetes de ilustración, que ofrecen facilidades para dibujar a mano libre con una amplia variedad de lapiceros y brochas, colores y patrones. Un ejemplo es Windows Paint. Programas de gráfico de negocio, también llamado software de presentación, te permiten crear diagramas de flujo o gráficos de línea o todo tipo de diapositiva y reporte. Puedes importar datos de una base de datos o una hoja de cálculo para generar los gráficos. Diseño asistido por computadora o CAD. Es utilizado por ingenieros y arquitectos para diseñar todo desde carros hasta aviones, hasta edificios y muebles. Primero ellos hacen una maqueta que es una, es un diseño con líneas de contorno y bordes. Y luego si quieren colorear los objetos y añadir textura, pueden crear una superficie del objeto, que lo que es llamado llenar la superficie. Finalmente, el diseño se renderiza para hacer que el objeto se vea realista. Renderizar es un proceso que añade realismo a los gráficos utilizando ah, sombreado, recursos de luz y reflejos. Publicación de escritorio. Está basado en un programa de páginas que te permiten importar textos de un procesador de texto, ah, utilizar imágenes que ya están re- rehechas o ya están prehechas, eh, desde paquetes de gráficos y imágenes desde escáneres o cámaras y ponerlo todo en la página. Es utilizado para diseñar y publicar libros, ah, periódicos, pósters, anuncios, etc. Arte digital o arte de computadora se hace con apples que utilizan fórmulas matemáticas para crear ah, formas hermosas y brillantes llamadas fractales. Un fractal es una figura geométrica con propiedades especiales, por ejemplo, el flujo de Coach o el conjunto de Mandelbrot. Los fractales también pueden utilizar modelos reales, de modelos de objetos reales como nubes, costas o paisajes. Animación de computadora utiliza programas gráficos, por ejemplo, sistemas de animación digital para crear o editar movimiento de imágenes. Cada imagen es una secuencia de imágenes que es llamada un fotograma. Sistemas de información geográfica le permite a los cartógrafos crear mapas detallados. Read 8 opposite and decide which type of graphic software is best for these users. A person who wants to edit photos at home, image manipulation software. An economist who wants to present statistics in a form that can be easily understood, presentation software. Engineers who need to design the interior or exterior of a new aeroplane, computer-aided design. A company which needs to design and publish a magazine, desktop publishing. An artist who wants to produce illustrations and freehand drawings for a book, illustration package. An organization that needs to make maps and 3D virtual model of the surface of the Earth, geographic information system. Computer animation who make movies like Toy Story and Shrek, computer animation. A mathematician who wants to make fractal shapes of natural phenomena, digital art. Complete the sentences with word from the box. Painting programs work by giving a color to each pixel in an image, creating a bitmap. Unlike vector graphics, the image is a single layer, so once something is painted, it becomes part of the whole picture. In painting programs and in image editors, filters are special effects that can be applied to a picture, including drop shadows, textures, distortions, etc. The wireframe model is the simplest interpretation of a true three-dimensional object. Here, the object is represented by its edges and contours and is therefore similar in form to a normal engineering drawing or sketch. Rendering adds texture to each surface and generates realistic reflections, shadows, and highlights. Most illustration packages come with a bundle of resources that include ready-made clip art, images, and installation of fonts. Fractals are geometrical patterns that are repeated at a small scale to generate irregular shapes, some of which are similar to objects in nature. Look at the Windows Paint toolbox opposite and find the tools that match these definitions. This is like magnifying glass, which changes your view of a drawing. Zoom. This brush lets you paint in different shapes and patterns. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. This is used to draw curves in different thickness, curve. This rubs out the part of the picture you drag it over. Eraser. This tool lets you pick a color from an area of an image instead of choosing the color from the color palette. Color picker. This tool is used to fill a shape with the color of your choice. Fill bucket. This makes straight lines. Line tool. This basic tool is used to draw freehand, for example, to draw freeform chains. Pencil. This group of tool is used for drawing shapes, rectangles, ellipses, and polygons. Shapes. This produces individual pixels of color in a spray pattern. Airbrush. This tool lets you make rectangular or freehand selections around the things you want to select. Selection. This is used to type test.